Hello friends. So in our this lecture, last lecture 1, 2, 5, 6, these 4 sums over. Okay. So in our this lecture, let's start with the number 3, and this method is a homogeneous differential equation, either y by x dy by dx or x by y dx by dy. चलो, मैंने आपको जो हमारा लास्ट लेक्चर था वहां पर हमने एक फर्स्ट सम किया था. तो फर्स्ट सम में हमने कुछ देखा था कि बोथ आर ब्रैकेट्स. फर्स्ट सम देयर आर 2 ब्रैकेट्स. तो ब्रैकेट टाइप सम्स x by y and y by x, both the methods are possible, but first priority is y by x. Okay, so y by x means dy by dx. So making here dy by dx, so dx term other side, so x minus y dy equal to x plus y dx, taking other side. Now dy by dx equal to x plus y upon x minus y. Now here dy by dx, to making here y by x, to make y by x, here divide by x. So dividing here both the sides, upside and downside, both the sides by x. So dy by dx equal to divide by x. So 1 plus y by x, 1 minus y by x. Y by x is ready. Now taking y by x equal to v. Now taking y by x equal to v. So y equal to vx. Now with respect to x, derivation both the sides. So dy by dx, here product rule, v as it is, derivation of x with respect to x1 plus x as it is, and dv by dx. Now putting all data in our term, so dy by dx equal to putting v plus x dv by dx equal to 1 plus v upon 1 minus v. Okay? Here cancellation is not possible. तो फर्स्ट सम में हमने क्या बोला था? वन साइड ऑल v कंबाइन. So x dv by dx equal to 1 plus v upon 1 minus v, and taking v other side, all v one side. So x dv by dx equal to 1 plus v, other side minus v multiply with both, so minus v plus v square upon 1 minus v. Therefore x dv by dx. So 1 plus v minus v, so v cancel. 1 plus v square upon 1 minus v. चलो याद करो तो जो मैंने आपको फर्स्ट सम में बोला था कि v जनरली 1 minus v is right or v minus 1 is right. v minus 1 is right. तो minus sign common and as it is. v square plus 1 upon v minus 1, and minus sign outside. Okay? Now dv side all v combine and minus right side as it is. So v minus 1 अपॉन v स्क्वेर प्लस 1 dv minus 1 by x dx. Okay. After separation, taking integration. Okay. V minus 1 upside, v square plus 1 downside dv equal to minus 1 by x and dx. Separation is over. Now taking integration both the sides. So integration v minus 1 upon v square plus 1 dv equal to minus integration 1 by x dx. चलो लेफ्ट साइड how to find the integration v minus 1 upon v square plus 1. So v upon v square plus 1 and 1 upon v square plus 1 separate. V upon v square plus 1 dv minus v upon v square plus 1 dv minus 1 upon v square plus 1 dv equal to minus 1 by x dx. Okay. Now this one is easy. 1 upon v square plus 1 formula. This one is easy. This one what about v upon v square plus 1 function and derivation? So here v and here v square and this sum is lengthy. बराबर. तो हम separately फाइंड कर लेंगे. v upon v square plus 1 तो v square equal to taking t बराबर v square equal to t 2v dv equal to dt तो v dv equal to 1 by 2 dt तो v dv equal to 1 by 2 dt and v square is t तो t plus 1 by 2 outside and 1 upon t plus 1 integration log mod t plus 1 and t means v square. So this integration answer is 1 by 2 log mod v square plus 1. 1 by 2 log mod v square plus 1 minus 1 upon v square plus 1 tan inverse v equal to minus log x and plus log c. Okay. और 1 by 2 log v square plus 1 taking other side. बराबर. Otherwise एक काम करते हैं. Putting the value of v. What is v? Y by x. Y square by x square. Plus 1 minus tan inverse y by x and this is log c by x. Now tan inverse other side and taking log c by x other side and 1 by 2 making the power बराबर. तो log और this bracket raised to 1 by 2 means log n under root y square by x square plus 1 power 1 by 2 तो whole bracket raised to 1 by 2 means under root minus log c by x and equal to tan inverse y by x. Ready? यहां पर एलसीएम ले लेते हैं. अदरवाइज चलो log माइनस log तो log n सब्ट्रैक्शन ओके, चलो नाउ log यहां पर क्या होगा, एक्स स्क्वायर एलसीएम, तो अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर एंड एक्स स्क्वायर आउटसाइड बिकम्स एक्स होल डिवाइड c by x and equal to tan inverse y by x. Now x x cancel. चलो लास्ट स्टेप आप लिख लेना, log रूट अपॉन c इक्वल टू tan inverse y by x. ओके, एंड जो भी आप कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो बराबर वो करो आप, ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. चलो तो ये था आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. ओके, हेलो फ्रेंड्स. So after completing our third sum, okay, so next one is number 4. Okay, चलो x square minus y square dx plus 2xy dy equal to 0. Okay, so obviously if any problem then subject the dy by dx. So 2xy dy equal to, taking this bracket other side, so x square minus y square dx, other side becomes y square minus x square dx. बराबर, this whole term other side multiply, other side taking other side, so x square minus y square, other side becomes minus x square minus y square, so minus into x square minus y square, then minus multiply, so y square minus x square. So dy by dx equal to y square minus x square upon 2xy. Now 2xy separate, y square upon 2xy, so one time y cancel and y by x and downside 2, it means 1 by 2 y by x minus x square upon all, तो one time x cancel, 1 by 2 x by y. चलो आई थिंक आपकी प्रॉब्लम ये होगी कि भाई y by x इक्वल टू v और x by y इक्वल टू v, तो dy by dx मीन्स y by x, y by x इक्वल टू टेकिंग v, taking y by x इक्वल टू v. So y equal to vx, dy by dx, तो with respect to x derivation, so dy by dx equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now putting all data in our term, so here putting the value of dy by dx, so dy by dx is a v plus x dv by dx. Equal to 1 by 2 y by x means v minus 1 by 2, so what about x by y, so y by x is a v, so x by y is a 1 by v, reciprocal, y by x equal to v, so x by y equal to 1 by v. Okay, चलो तो here cancellation of v not possible, this is half v by 2, here 1 upon 2v, so taking v other side, so here x dv by dx equal to v by 2 minus 1 upon 2v and minus v. Therefore x dv by dx equal to, taking 2v LCM, here 2, so multiply by v, minus 1 and minus 2v multiply, so 2v into v, 2v square upon 2v. Ready? Here LCM is 2v, so here only 2, so multiply by v, here 2v, so only 1, and here no denominator, so 2v whole multiply, so 2v into v, 2v square So x dv by dx equal to v square minus 2v square minus v square minus 1 upon 2v. Now minus sign common and as it is. So x dv by dx equal to minus common, then bracket v square plus 1 and upon 2v. Now 2v upside, v square plus 1 downside, dv equal to minus 1 by x dx. 2v upon v square plus 1 dv minus 1 by x dx. Separation is over. Now taking integration. Now taking integration both the sides. So integration 2v upon v square plus 1 dv and integration minus outside and 1 by x dx. Ready? Alright. How to solve this? V square equal to t. V square and v तो function and derivation. V square equal to t silent calculation. बराबर. अब यहाँ पर आपको लिखना नहीं है. तो v square equal to t तो 2v dv equal to dt. तो 1 upon t plus 1 log mod t plus 1 and log mod v square plus 1. Equal to minus log x and plus log c. और तो log v square plus 1 equal to log c by x. Log cancel. V square plus 1 equal to c by x and putting the value of v. What is v? Y by x. So y square by x square plus 1 equal to c by x. X square LCM. Y square plus x square upon x square equal to c by x. One time x cancel and this x other side multiply. So answer is x square plus y square equal to cx. Already? This is your question number 4. Next, after completing 4, we know that 5 and 6 already over. And then next continue with the 7. Okay? X cos y by x plus y sin y by x whole bracket into y dx equal to y sin y by x minus x cos y by x whole bracket into x and dy. So here what is the angle? Angle is y by x. Angle is y by x. So compulsory here fixed sum is about dy by dx and y by x. Okay, so subject the dy and dy by dx. So dy is here and upon dx. So definitely this term here divide. So this term x cos y by x plus y sin y by x whole bracket into y or upon this term y sin y by x minus x cos y by x whole bracket into x equal to dy by dx. It means dy by dx equal to this term. So dy by dx equal to. Now problem is angle or y by x are ready. But single time x and y आर नॉट पॉसिबल, ये नहीं होना चाहिए। तो चलो दिस टर्म अपॉन एक्स तो है ना, तो हियर डिवाइड बाय एक्स कर दो एंड कैन वी राइट वाई हियर डाउन साइड। ओके, तो हियर होल डिवाइड बाय वाई कर दो। चलो दिस टर्म डिवाइड बाय एक्स, तो x here cancel and here y by x. Okay, alright, so cos y by x plus y by x sin y by x. Now y downside, here y cancel and here x by y. Okay, alright, so sin y by x minus x by y cos y by x. Ready? This bracket divide by x and this bracket divide by y. Done? So now everywhere y by x. So y by x equal to taking v. So y equal to vx. dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. So now putting here dy by dx and y by x, all y by x equal to v. So dy by dx is a v plus x dv by dx. Equal to cos v plus v sin v. Upon sin v. Now what about x by y? 1 by v and cos v. Now v LCM and then taking v other side. So x dv by dx इक्वल टू वी एलसीएम एंड अपसाइड मल्टीप्लाई, तो यहां पर क्या हो जाएगा v sin v माइनस cos v होल डिवाइड v एंड होल डिवाइड v अपसाइड मल्टीप्लाई. सो v हियर मल्टीप्लाई, तो v cos v प्लस v स्क्वेयर sin v, बराबर v एलसीएम, तो हियर v sin v माइनस cos v होल डिवाइड v एंड होल डिवाइड v अपसाइड मल्टीप्लाई, तो v cos v प्लस v स्क्वायर sin v अपॉन v sin v minus cos v and taking this v other side, so minus v. Now this term LCM multiply with this v. So x dv by dx equal to v cos v v square sin v minus v square sin v and minus minus plus v cos v upon LCM v sin v minus cos v. X dv by dx equal to v square sin v cancel, v cos v plus v cos v 2v cos v upon v sin v and minus cos v. चलो this term upside, this term downside dv, तो v ready. Now here x other side and dx. Now 2, तो आपको ये 1 by 2 नहीं करना है. इट मीन्स इफ वी टेक दिस न्यूमरेटर डाउन साइड, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 2 डाउन साइड हो जाएगा ना, बस. तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. फ्रैक्शन रखो, सॉरी इंटीजर रखो, फ्रैक्शन नहीं. अगर यहां पर 2 यहां पर लाओगे क्या होगा 1 by 2, वो नहीं. लाइक v sin v माइनस cos v अपसाइड, upon only v cos v dv. as it is and upon x and dx. After separation, taking integration. Taking integration both the sides. V sin v minus cos v upon v cos v dv, 2 common 1 by x dx. Okay. Or how to find the integration left side? V sin v minus cos v upon v cos v. Denominator separate. Therefore, v sin v upon v cos v, v cancel. Sin v upon cos v, tan v. Cos v upon v cos v cancel. 1 upon v. dv equal to 2 integration 1 by x dx. Tan v log mod sec 1 by v log v 2 log x, all log, so at last log c. So here log and subtraction, so division. Log sec v upon v equal to log x square plus log c. Therefore, log, so here putting the value of v, what is v? Y by x. Sec y by x upon y by x equal to log x square c. Now log cancel and this x other side multiply upside. Okay, so x into sec y by x upon y equal to x square c. 1 time x cancel. So sec y by x, this y other side multiply, x y c, and this is our final answer. And very easy sum. Done? 7 more. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नेक्स्ट वन टेकिंग द नंबर 8. शायद आपको एक प्रॉब्लम होगी यहाँ पर लाइटिंग की, बराबर. एक सम जो हमारा लास्ट पार्ट है यहाँ पर थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक है, तो जो एक सम है तो ये हम कर लेते हैं तो हमारा ये लेक्चर भी और पूरा हो जाएगा, बराबर. चलो, x डिवाइड बाई डी एक्स माइनस वाई प्लस एक्स साइन वाई बाई एक्स एंड इक्वल टू 0. बराबर. हेलो, दिस इज अवर सम. तो subject the dy by dx, so taking this both the term other side and then upon x. So x dy by dx equal to y other side becomes plus and x sin y by x becomes minus. So now whole divide x. Dy by dx equal to y minus x sin y by x whole divide x. So dy by dx, x separate, y by x, and here x cancel and sin y by x. Now taking y by x equal to v. So y equal to vx, dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now putting all data in our term. So dy by dx is a v plus x dv by dx. equal to v minus sin v. Here both the side v cancel. So x dv by dx equal to minus sin v. Ready? Now sin v downside and x other side and dx. So 1 upon sin v dv minus 1 by x dx. And we know that 1 upon sin is a cosec v dv minus 1 by x dx. Taking integration both the sides. Integration cosec v dv minus 1 by x dx. Integration of cosec, log mod cosec minus cot. Minus log x and plus log c. Log cosec v minus cot v equal to log c by x. Log log cancel. Cosec v minus cot v equal to c by x. Now putting the value of v, and which is y by x. So cosec y by x minus cot y by x equal to c by x. Now अब भी आंसर अगर नहीं आ रहा है तो आप क्या करोगे? कन्वर्टिंग टू साइन एंड कॉस. 1 बाई साइन, कॉस बाई साइन, एलसीएम, सिंप्लीफाई, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री याद करो, पुट द टर्म्स, पुट द फॉर्मूला, एंड आपको टेन और कॉट दोनों में से कोई एक आंसर मिलेगा. चलो नाउ दिस इज अवर फाइनल आंसर ऑफ अवर क्वेश्चन 8. Our last sum of our lecture, and which is question number 9. Y dx plus x log y by x dy minus 2x dy and equal to 0. Dy 2 times. So definitely dy common. So y dx plus only dy common, not x common, only dy common. So bracket x log y by x minus 2x dy and equal to 0. और जनरली हमें जो अरेंज करना है वो क्या है? हमारा dy by dx. तो dy this as it is and we have to take this other side. तो other side becomes minus y dx. पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर? Taking this bracket other side. जनरली dy by dx ही अरेंज करेंगे, बट ये ब्रैकेट हम चेंज कर देंगे तो माइनस कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. लाइक y dx or this term taking other side. So just interchange the bracket. 2x minus x log y by x dy. Now dy by dx and this bracket downside. With the log term is y by x, so definitely sum is about y by x. तो x by y नहीं होगा. Angle है, अगर if your angle is y by x, if with the log y by x, then sum y by x. Okay. चलो तो dy by dx and this bracket downside. So y upon 2x minus x log y by x equal to dy by dx. So dy by dx. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? क्योंकि जो सिंगल y एंड सिंगल x नॉट पॉसिबल, बराबर. तो x कॉमन एंड डाउन साइड हियर राइट द x. इट मींस y by x and downside 2 minus log y by x. X common and here downside x. Are you ready? Y by x and dy by dx. So taking y by x equal to v y equal to vx, dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Are you ready? Putting your data. Dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. V plus x dv by dx equal to v upon 2 minus log v. Are you ready? Taking v other side. X dv by dx equal to v upon 2 minus log v minus v. Or LCM and multiply. X dv by dx equal to v, or this one multiply, minus 2v plus v log v upon 2 minus log v. So x dv by dx v log v, v minus 2v minus v and 2 minus log v. जैसा आपको पता है कि 1 minus x is not right, but x minus 1 is right. तो same 2 minus log v is not right, log minus 2 is right. बराबर. तो from the denominator taking minus common. बराबर. From the denominator taking minus common. So x dv by dx v log v minus v upon minus common. So bracket is log v minus 2. Therefore, log v minus 2 upside, v log v minus v downside, dv minus 1 by x dx. Now separation is ready. Now taking integration both the sides. Taking integration both the sides. Therefore, integration log v minus 2 upon v log v minus v dv minus integration 1 by x dx. So first one, how to find the integration left side? Log v minus 2 upon v log v minus v. So from the denominator minus common. Sorry, minus नहीं but v common. So log v minus 1. So what about in numerator? Log v minus 2. So log. So making denominator in numerator. Same like x minus 2 upon x minus 1. This is x minus 1. Upside x minus 2. So x minus 1 minus 1. Okay. So log v minus 2. So log v minus 1 minus 1. dv minus 1 by x dx. Now denominator separate. Log v minus 1 upon v into log v minus 1 minus 1 upon v into log v minus 1 dv minus 1 by x dx. So here log v minus 1 cancel. 1 upon v and minus. Okay, 1 by v integration is very easy. Now what about 1 upon v log v minus 1? So v write the upside. 1 by v upon log v minus 1 dv minus 1 by x dx. So in this integration direct possible, and we know that log v derivation is 1 by v. So log v equal to t. So 1 by v dv equal to dt. So t minus 1 log mod t minus 1. So log mod log v minus 1. 1 by v is log v minus log mod log v minus 1 minus log x प्लस log c. ये रफ में करना है इतना आपको. log v इक्वल टू t, तो ये t माइनस 1 एंड log v इक्वल टू t, तो 1 by v dv इक्वल टू dt, तो 1 by v dv इक्वल टू dt, तो 1 upon t minus 1, तो log mod t minus 1, log mod t minus 1 and t is a log v. Easy. Now log n subtraction, log n subtraction, तो division और log v upon log v minus 1 equal to log c by x. Now log cancel and putting the value of v. What is v? Y by x. Now so y by x upon log y by x minus 1 equal to c by x, and then solve yourself. x cancel, तो y upon log y by x minus 1 equal to c. This is your answer. बाद में आपको जो करेक्शन करना है वो करो. चलो, this is 9. It means in our lecture up to 9 over. Okay. चलो, तो in the next lecture we will meet with the question 10.